Ooh, I know who I am, and I know whose I am. Yes, I know who I am and whose I am. Oh, oh, oh. So now I step into my identity and then walk fully in my destiny. Oh, now I step into my identity and then walk fully in my destiny. Oh, bring forth the song of the Lord, the song of the Lord. Release the sound of the sons, the sound of the sons, the sound of the sons. Release the sound. Bring forth the song of the Lord, the song of the Lord. Release the sound, the sound, the sound of the sons, the sound of the sons. Oh, 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 oh. The sound of the sons, the sound of the sons, the sound of the sons. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hallelujah. Yes, for you have called me out on the water, and it's not easy to trust when the ground is not solid under your feet. But you never said it would be easy. No, you said just to trust and not faint in the face of all-out contradiction. Hold my hand, dear one. Hold my hand, dear one. Trust and do not faint. Oh, trust and do not faint. Trust and do not faint. Hallelujah, you said, and that is what I stand on, because you said, yes, you said, when it's not easy just to trust and not faint, and your strength will come. Yes, your strength will come when we know who we are and whose we are. Yes, hallelujah. Hallelujah, all we have to do, bring forth your sound and know what you said, know whose we are, and stand in that place. Yay, hallelujah, hallelujah. The fires may come, but your water refreshes. Hallelujah. The sound of the sons, the sound of the sons. Bring forth the song of the Lord. Bring forth his song